So for social studies, I have got some lessons where I'm going to use Google Earth. So I've got a couple of links, and it relates to the Revolutionary War. So what I've done, just to quicken things up, I've kind of opened them up. So one is the Freedom Trail. Well, it's a Wikipedia link here, but it will just talk about downtown Boston. So it's kind of a whole bunch of places that had something to do with the American Revolution. So there is the official trail sites, but it goes through the streets of Boston, and you can kind of follow it around and visit all the sites. So Google Earth, it's really cool. Again, I like it that students can put themselves kind of in the places, especially when it comes to history. They can get a sense of what it was like to be there, or the geography of an area. So another thing we can do is, if I just go to there, and I'm just going to type in say Battle Road, and then I can just click on that, and then it's going to take me off to here. And again, I've got a 360 video which is a reconstruction of the battle, which kind of leads us into the American Revolution. But you know, if I kind of add this link for them and tell them to go and have a look, it can kind of give them an idea of kind of what the geography, what the layout of the land is. And obviously, you know, times change, and that, you know, geography may change as well, but it's kind of a pretty cool thing for them to get in and look at. So the other thing I've got here is we're looking at, it's kind of like the Freedom Trail, a whole bunch of spots in Boston where there was something to do with the American Revolution. So what we can do here is we can go to search. So I've typed in Revolutionary War historical sites, and then a whole bunch of them have pulled up. And in my social studies text, a lot of these, like the Old South Meeting House, Faneuil Hall Marketplace, Bunker Hill. So some of these things are going to pop up. The Boston Tea Party, Ships and Museum, Paul Revere House. So there's a lot of those things will actually pop up in our social studies book. So it'll just give students a chance to get in there and kind of have a look for themselves. So it's just a cool app. So as I said, I'm using it for social studies, but you can use it for a lot more. But it's kind of gives the students a chance to kind of delve into a topic a bit deeper than maybe a textbook just kind of would. So that's it from this tutorial. So thank you, but I definitely recommend you to get in there and have a look and see what you can find. Thanks.